Ever wondered why your jeans seem to shrink in the wardrobe overnight? Perhaps it's not the jeans. Perhaps it's the late-night pizza raids. We've all been there. Those moments when we swear, the mirror's lying, right? The treadmill's a torture device, and salads, well, they're just fancy grass. And let's not even get started on the cookies whispering sweet nothings from the kitchen. But fear not, we've got a diet plan that might just be the ticket to your weight loss journey. It's called the Carnivore Diet. So, you've heard of the Carnivore Diet, right? No? Well, it's exactly what it sounds like. A diet fit for a lion. Now don't start sharpening your claws and growling just yet. This diet may be named after our furry friends in the wild, but it's not about gnawing on raw antelope. It's about consuming primarily meat and animal products, while waving a hearty goodbye to grains, sugars, and processed foods. Think of it as a love letter to your inner caveman or cavewoman. But let's cut the fat and get down to the meat of the matter. Step 1. Stock up on high-quality meats and animal fats. We're talking ribeye steak, pork products, eggs, fatty fish, the works. Your kitchen should resemble a butcher's shop. Step 2. Say no to grains, sugars, and processed foods. Remember, cavemen didn't have access to donuts, soda, or potato chips. If it's not meat or animal fat, it probably doesn't belong on your plate. Step 3. Avoid vegetable oils. Yes, you heard that right. Despite their innocent-sounding name, these oils are processed, and we're all about keeping things natural here. Instead, incorporate salt and electrolytes to keep your body functioning like a well-oiled machine. Now you might be thinking, but I've heard this diet is all about raw meat. Not quite. While some folks might enjoy a tartare or two, cooking your meat is not only acceptable, but also recommended. After all, we're not trying to reenact a scene from the Discovery Channel here. So, if you're not afraid of embracing your inner caveman, this might just be the diet for you. Now that you've got the basics down, let's dive into the nitty-gritty of the carnivore diet. The carnivore diet, in essence, is a high-quality meat and animal fat party. Imagine a banquet table, but instead of a variety of foods, it's just different cuts of juicy, succulent meat. You've got ribeye steak, pork products, eggs, and fatty fish. It's like being invited to a prehistoric caveman feast, minus the woolly mammoth. Now, this diet has its potential benefits. Some people swear by it, claiming it's helped them lose weight and even improve certain health conditions. It's like they've found the holy grail of diets, or in this case, the holy grail of meat. However, just like any diet, the carnivore diet has its drawbacks. You might find yourself missing the crunch of a carrot or the sweetness of an apple. And let's not forget about the potential impact on gut health. There's a reason why our ancestors eventually added fruits, vegetables, and grains to their diet. It wasn't because they were bored of mammoth steaks, but hey, who knows, maybe your body thrives on meat and animal fat. Maybe you're a modern-day caveman or cavewoman in disguise. Just remember, this diet is not a magic potion. It's a lifestyle change. It's about listening to your body and finding what works best for you. So there you have it, folks. The carnivore diet in a nutshell, or should I say, in a ribeye steak. Before you rush off to the butcher, remember every diet comes with its own set of challenges. The carnivore diet, for instance, might sound like a meat lover's dream, but it's not all steaks and bacon. It could potentially lead to nutrient deficiencies given its lack of variety. Remember, our bodies thrive on a balanced diet, containing all the essential vitamins and minerals we need. While the carnivore diet might help you shed those extra pounds, it's crucial to do your own research and consult with a healthcare professional before diving into this meaty endeavor. And remember, even if you're eating like a lion, you might still need a little bit of green in your diet. So next time your jeans feel a little snug, remember the carnivore diet could be your ticket to a leaner, meaner you. Just don't forget to balance it out with a few veggies now and then. After all, even lions eat grass occasionally.